am Alice Saunders, a budget execution analyst with the Office of State Budget and Management. This video will walk you through how to generate an RK325 report in the new IBIS reporting environment. Please keep in mind that the RK325 report is the updated, certified, and authorized budget as budget revisions are approved and incorporated as compared to the BD307 report, which is the certified budget. From the OSBM website, you will see two links, one for Legacy IBIS login and one for NC IBIS login. Do not click on the Legacy IBIS login link, as this link only contains historical information or pre-NCFS information. We're going to be working with new IBIS information in this training video, so we want to click on the NC IBIS login link. Here, you will be prompted to key in your NC ID and your NC ID password. After you key in your password, hit enter. Next, this screen will appear. Notice in the View section, you should have a listing of agencies or brews for which you have authority. Also note under Home a listing of menu options. To generate the RK325 report, we want to click on Report. Next, the IBM Cognos Analytics screen will appear. You will also notice under Home a list of menu options. Next, we want to click on Team Content. Under Team Content, you will see that self-service reports and system run reports are listed twice, one for legacy and one for non-legacy. As previously mentioned, legacy-related links only contain historical information or pre-NCFS information. This training video will only focus on the new IBIS working environment. So let's click on Self-Service Reports, Budget Execution Reports, and then we want to scroll down to the RK325 Certified and Authorized Budget Report. Next, you will be prompted to key in certain data criteria. The report type defaults to all, so we want to keep this as is. The biennium has not been selected, but we are in the current 2023-25 biennium years. So let's default the biennium selection to 23-25. The approval date can remain as is. Next, you want to select your brew or budgetary reporting unit. For this training video, we will be selecting the Department of Administration. And then for the budget code, we're only going to select budget code 14100. If you'd like, you can select them all, or you can select a range of codes. Next, you want to select Finish. As previously mentioned, the RK325 Certified and Authorized Budget Report will reflect the updated certified budget and authorized budget as budget revisions are approved and incorporated. The report will be generated in PDF by default and will reflect the updated certified and authorized budgets for the 23-25 biennium by budget fund. Here is a look of the report in PDF. If you wish to generate the report in Excel, you can do that as well and analyze it and or manipulate information. Let's demonstrate how to do that now. I'm going to exit out of this screen, and then I'm going to go back into reports just to make sure that my history of the path that I took has been removed. I'm going to hit refresh. Then we're going to follow that same path. We're going to do team content, We're going to do self-service reports. We're going to do budget execution reports. And then we're going to look for the RK325 certified and authorized budget report. Instead of clicking on the report, we're going to click on the three dots. And here we're going to click on Run As. And then we're going to select Excel and then Run. You will be given the opportunity to select your same criteria as before when running the PDF format. To save time, I'm going to demonstrate to you what the Excel file will look like once it's generated and downloads. So this is a look at the RK325 by fund for the 2023-25 biennium. So you see it by budget fund, and it has the certified and authorized budget information for each of the years, but you can also see information by account. So Excel may be a much more useful tool. This concludes this training video. For questions or concerns regarding this report, please feel free to contact your budget execution analyst. Thank you.